Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 9 minus 3 times 6 minus 36. So if you are talented, then before watching the video comment of this question. But if you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, so in this video guys I can explain this question step by step. So remember that multiplication have higher priority than other operation. So firstly in this expression we can solve multiplication. So our solution is 9 minus 3 times 6 equal to 18 minus 36. Now guys, here 9 minus 18 equal to minus 9 minus 36 I can write as it is. Now here minus 36 and minus 9 equal to minus 45. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel.